And welcome back to the Six String Steve channel. Here's another weather update. Winter weather conditions really bad out west here in Kingman, Arizona. I-40 highway pileup. This semi got pretty much obliterated. I wouldn't think that this person survived, sadly. Does not look very good at all here. And here's another view coming in, showing you how it looks from the other side of the highway. Not a good situation there. Always be alert when you're on the highway traveling in winter weather conditions. This is not a time to be playing with your phone and getting distracted. Here shows the further back, the whole backup of the highway in that area of Kingman, Arizona. Really bad situation there. Looks like the plow truck was doing its thing and had to stop. Alright, up in Reno, Nevada, here's some road conditions. Not looking good. Slushy road conditions. And back to Arizona. Here's Prescott Valley. Some snowfall. Blizzard conditions here. High winds. Snow. Whiteout conditions. Not good. Scottsdale, Arizona. Snowfall. Pretty much, high winds here in Glendale, Arizona. Snapped off some tree limbs there. Looks like knocked some other things over. And some more shots of some snow. High winds. Blowing snow. All that fun stuff during the winter. Here's some high wind gusts that were reported in California. Some really high. I think the highest was 67 there. And the satellite view of all that moisture coming in off of the Pacific Ocean, creating all of this mess out on the west, in the western regions. Satellite view of the overnight, a couple of nights ago, of the snow blowing through Arizona and into New Mexico, Colorado, and also people digging out of the crazy high amounts of snow in California, the Sierra area. These guys aren't getting anywhere anytime soon, doesn't look like. No traction, just spinning the tires. Not good. This guy's having big fun here, looks like. Scraping off the snow off the top of the awning at the business, and there you go, some more slow going traffic down the highway. Not a good situation. Take it easy if you're out on the roads. This does not look like any fun. You would not want to be stuck out in this, traveling. More crazy blizzard type conditions. I believe this is from that California storm. Wow. And the whiteout conditions during the day were very bad. Low visibility. Can't even hardly see a couple of car lengths ahead of you. Looks like here. Stalled vehicles, or they're just probably stopped because of the low visibility, I'm imagining. Or possibly a wreck. Who knows? Here is the weather guy showing us what it's doing in the north central Arizona area. Snow, very cold conditions, and wet stuff coming down this evening. Stay safe if you're traveling, and thanks for watching the 6 String Steve Winter Weather Report.